Good evening. My name is Arun Kumar, and I am again in front of you uh, with what I promised. I told you guys that I am preparing a plan for self-study to become an Azure Data Engineer. So today I am here in front of you with 100 days 100 days self-study Azure Data Engineering Master Plan, with the help of which you can target to become an Azure Data Engineer with self-study. In that plan, I have In that plan, I have shared the detailed plan day-wise leg at very much high granularity that what should you study in day one, what should you study in day two, what should you study in day three. In this fashion, uh, for each of the day till until 100 day, I have prepared the plan. You can go through that plan and you can start preparing for Azure Data Engineering if you want to prepare by self-study. Let me show you that plan, and I think that that plan will be very much helpful to you. Let me show you. So I uploaded that self-study plan few days, I think 1 month back in my LinkedIn profile. Let me open my LinkedIn profile and let me download it from there and let me show it to you. Okay, so let me go to my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile, and it is opening a little bit slow. Okay. So here in this featured section, I have this 100-day self-study master plan, which you can download and which you can follow to become a data engineer, Azure data engineer. Let me download this plan and let me take you through this plan once. Let it get downloaded. Okay. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. So as you can see, this is a 100-day self-study master plan to become Azure Data Engineer plan. This is my signature plan. Okay, this plan is created by me. And if you notice here there is a column called day. Okay, here there is Python section, here there is SQL section, and here there is Azure section. Okay, and like each day, like this is day one. So in day one, in SQL side, you should study what that thing I have mentioned here, and in Azure side you should pick up which topics to learn that I have mentioned here. Now again in the day two I have mentioned the topics you see here. I have mentioned the topics that needs to be prepared in day two. Similarly for day three I have mentioned the topics like these are the topics for day 3. Okay, similarly for all days I have given the topics that what you should prepare. Okay, now we have this day 7 here. In day 7, at in every seventh day I have kept as a revision day. That day you should revise everything that you have read into that previous week. Okay, that day you have to revise everything that you have read in your previous weeks. Like this is day 7 here. I have planned for revision. Again again we are starting from day 8, and you need to pick up actually these topics that I have mentioned here from Azure and SQL. Now now again in the same fashion, on day 14th I have kept as the revision day. Again, from day 15 to day 20, I have mentioned all the topics that you need to cover, and day 21st I have kept as your revision day, because in week there should be one day where you should do your revision. One another important thing that I want to highlight here is, how your revision cycle should go on, because if you are learning anything and if you are forgetting that, then there will be no use of learning. So you need to plan your learning in such a fashion that you remember the things that you are learning, right? So from day 6, right? From day 1 to day 6, I have given the topics of SQL and SQL and Azure to learn. Okay, and on day 7, okay, on day 7, I have kept as the revision day. Okay, day 7 I have kept for revising all the things that you have studied. Okay, day 7 revision day. Okay, now let me pick up this day 8 to day 13. Okay, day 13. Again, on these days you have to follow the schedule that I have shared, and on day 14th, okay, again you need to keep this day 14th as the revision day. Okay, as the revision day. In this, in this revision day, you will revise everything that you read in day 1 to day 6. Okay, in this revision day, you will revise everything that you have read from day 8 to day 13. Okay, day 8 to day 13. Similarly, on every revision day, you will revise whatever you read in the previous week. After 1 month, okay, after 1 month, like if I show you 1 month is around 30th day, okay. So on this revision day, like the revision cycle that is coming on day 28, on this revision day, okay, you have to revise the topics of the previous week, as well as you have to revise all the topics that you read in that whole month. Okay, that you read in that whole month, that you read in that whole month. So in this fashion, like on day 20th, you revised all the things that you read in the previous month. Okay, now again, consider day 28 as the month end. Okay, again, from day 29 to day 33, you have to read these topics. Okay, from here, from day 22, Python is starting, and Azure is going parallelly here as well. Like Azure was parallelly going with SQL as well, and Azure is going here parallelly with Python as well here. Okay, so again, after this day 22, you need to pick up these Python topics, and again, you need to on this day 28, you need to revise the previous week topic as well as the whole previous month topics that we covered. After that, let's start from day 29. Okay, so after that, again, you will start from day 29, and you will read these all topics that has been mentioned here. Okay, and all these are the Python topics. And here at the Azure side, okay, Azure side, like we have covered many things like Azure Key Vault, Azure Data Lake Gen 2, ETL concepts, Spark topics. I have also mentioned the Spark topics actually that you need to cover. Okay, and and Spark topics, and Azure SQL Server, Azure Data Factory, all the topics I have mentioned. I have bifurcated all the topics at day level. Okay, at day level, I have bifurcated all the topics. And similarly, if you notice this carefully, okay, you see, I have given like a revision. Start thinking on resume preparation. Like on day 56, you have to revise again, and you have to start thinking on your resume preparation. Okay. Here again, on day 63, revision plus prepare first round of resume. Like your first round of resume should be built up. Again on day 70, you need to revise and make changes in the resume if required. Like here when you will make first round of resume and you will start giving interviews, or you will come to know something in that week, in this whole week. Okay, then on this day 70th, again you need to make changes in your resume as required, because resume preparation is a time taking task. It cannot be prepared in a single day, right? You need to have multiple sorry, you need to have multiple iteration for the preparation of your resume, right? Sorry. So you need to You need to make changes in the resume if required. Again, here I have given revision plus make changes in resume if required. Okay, here again I have given on day 84 revision plus make changes in the resume if required. Here in Azure side I have also talked about, apart from EDF, I have also talked about Azure Logic App and the deployment part, like how the deployment should take place. Okay, and here I have talked about the Medallion architecture and creating data pipeline using all major components. Like this is a kind of project like where you will be creating data pipelines using all the major components of Azure for data engineering. Okay, here I have given 2 days for final resume preparation and mock interview. Like you can give some mock interviews. Okay, if you want me to take your mock interview, just schedule some time with me. Okay, try to connect with me and schedule some time with me. I can take mock interviews. Okay, and then get set ready to give interviews. All the best. Okay. So this is my 100-day master plan. This is my 100-day signature master plan for Azure Data Engineers. For those candidates who want to prepare this skill set with the help of self-study. Okay. I hope that you will love this 100-day master plan, and this is a very unique plan that I have prepared for you all. You will not find this kind of plan anywhere. Okay. So make this plan as your base when you start preparing. Okay, make this plan as your base, and then if you start preparing, you will waste less amount of time here and there. I mean, searching that where what should I learn, from where should I learn? Okay, which topic should I pick up to learn? Okay, here I have given all the topics day wise. You can just print out this 100-day plan. You can keep that on your table and you can start picking up the topics day wise and you can start covering them. Okay. You should prepare in such a manner that whatever topics I have mentioned in this 100-day plan, all those plans should get embedded in your mind. Okay. You should remember these topics that I have given in this plan, and that is only possible if you go with multiple revision cycles. Okay, with this plan. Okay, once you go through 2 3 revision cycles, then all the topics that I have given in this PDF will get embedded in your mind, and that will become the real game changer if you really want to become an Azure data engineer. Okay, oh, if you want to download this 100-day master plan, you can come to my LinkedIn profile. Okay, here I have already given this. Here I have already given this plan. Okay, in featured section, here I have 100-day master self-study plan. You can download this from here. Okay, you can click here, and after clicking, you can come here and you can come here. You can click here. Okay, just 1 minute. You can click here, and after clicking here, you can click on this download button, and then you can download it. And then it will be downloaded. Okay, so if you really get benefited from my this 100-day master plan, you can uh, you can it if you really get benefited from this 100-day master plan, do inform me. It will really feel me good that someone is getting benefited from this 100-day master plan. If you really like this video, do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much. Bye.